Multan, known as the fifth largest city in Pakistan by population and a pivotal socio-economic hub in southern Punjab. It pulses with the rhythm of businesses, bustling commercial endeavours and burgeoning real estate projects. At the heart of this vibrant city lies the M4 motorway, an integral part of the eastern route of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC. And amidst this burgeoning landscape, DHA Multan emerges as the epitome of residential and commercial excellence. Rapidly cementing its status as the premier location in the city. DHA Multan is synonymous with secure and profitable investment opportunities. It offers not just a place to live, but an enhanced quality of life. But DHA Multan doesn't stop at just offering comfortable living. It aspires to redefine luxury and leisure. Romanza Golf and Country Club, a masterpiece of architectural brilliance, nestled within DHA Multan. This PGA standard signature golf course is more than just a sporting facility. It's an embodiment of sheer elegance and opulence. With sprawling greens, shimmering blue lakes, and strategically placed bunkers, Romanza stands as a testament to Pakistan's potential in the global golfing map. And behind these meticulous detail lies the expertise of Sir Nick Faldo, the world-renowned golf maestro whose name resonates with excellence. Faldo Designs, in collaboration with the Desert Group, meticulously brought this vision to life. Nestled within the breathtakingly scenic landscape of DHA Multan, the clubhouse of Romanza Golf and Country Club stands as a beacon of elegance and sophistication. Set amidst lush greenery and picturesque vistas, this unique clubhouse is poised to become the epitome of luxury and leisure. With its impeccable design and unparalleled amenities, it promises to offer members and guests a truly unforgettable experience, blending seamlessly with the natural beauty that surrounds it. Whether indulging in a round of golf or simply basking in the serenity of the surroundings, the clubhouse of Romanza is destined to be a haven of tranquility and refinement. The first 5-star golf resort of Pakistan, Romanza Clubhouse is a state-of-the-art facility, having the facilities of a 5-star hotel, which includes a multi-purpose hall, 2 all-weather male and female swimming pools, jacuzzi and sauna, health and fitness center, massage centers, exercise area, male and female salons, executive lounge, board meeting rooms, cigar card rooms and chess rooms. It has got 3 state-of-the-art dining halls and a live cuisine at the rooftop. Hashu Group is the biggest name in hospitality services in Pakistan. It has been more than 40 years since Hashu Group has taken its leadership in hospitality, hotels and tourism. DHA Multan has joined hands with Hashu Group for the management of this facility. Thus, the clubhouse is now known as Romanza by Pearl Continental.
हाशु ग्रुप पाकिस्तान के अंदर हॉस्पिटैलिटी की क्वालिटी में सबसे बड़ा नाम है। मुझे बड़ी खुशी है देख के कि रोमांजा जो पाकिस्तान का एक प्रीमियर गोल्फ कोर्स है, मैं खुद भी गोल्फर हूँ और मैं उधर कई दफ़ा खेल चुका हूँ। DHA मुल्तान के अंदर ये गोल्फ कोर्स ना सिर्फ पाकिस्तान का बल्कि पूरे रीजन का इंतहाई खूबसूरत गोल्फ कोर्स है। सिर्फ गोल्फ कोर्स नहीं है, इसके साथ कंट्री क्लब भी है, इसके साथ फैसिलिटीज़ हैं, रेस्टोरेंट्स हो गए, बैंक्वेट्स हो गए, कमरे हो गए। ये नेक्स्ट लेवल की फैसिलिटी है, नॉट ओनली मुल्तान बट इट वुड बी प्राउड, you would be proud to see the architecture of it, the quality and the finishing of this particular project. और इंतहाई खुशी है कि DHA मुल्तान ने एक खूबसूरत तोहफा जो है मुल्तान के लोगों को और उसके गिर्द नवाह को दिया है और हमें बड़ी खुशी है कि पर्ल कॉन्टिनेंटल होटल को उन्होंने चूज़ किया है कि हम इसको मैनेज करेंगे on behalf of DHA मुल्तान।
As a project director of DHA Multan, I am thrilled and excited to welcome visitors, golfers, tourists and all the people from across Pakistan who come to see the amazing Romanza Golf Course and enjoy our new 5-star facilities at Romanza by Pearl Continental, Pakistan's first 5-star golf resort. It gives me immense pleasure to announce that the official collaboration of DHA Multan with the renowned hospitality group Pearl Continental by Hashu Group has come to life in the form of Romanza by Pearl Continental. This partnership shows our steadfast commitment to giving our guests the best experience possible. While working with Pearl Continental, we will ensure that our offerings will be the best and will set new standards for the hospitality industry. So come, play golf, dine, enjoy your stay at Romanza by Pearl Continental.
As the sun sets, the Romanza Clubhouse symbolizes dedication and dreams fulfilled in its serene setting. It invites all to join a legacy of excellence and joy.